nothing changes.
Hey, what's up guys? Video number 2 from August 20th, Friday TGIF. This afternoon I had a first video and now I came across this fantastic story which I'm going to pop up on my computer. Actually, I'll pull it up on the iPad. I'll screen share it for you guys and show you, but the long story short, if you're looking over my shoulder, is a rare Nintendo video game donated to Goodwill, sold on shopgoodwill.com, their online site, for $411,000. If you're not familiar with what game we're talking about, it is the OG. It is The Legend of Zelda sealed. Somehow a Legend of Zelda sealed copy. It had a little bit of tears to the plastic. The sticker was a little peeled off. Anyways, let's go over screen sharing. I'm going to show you this because I thought a lot of fans would get a kick out of this. Anytime something crazy comes through the Goodwill and it sells on their site, kind of gives us an idea that Goodwill is there to maximize their profits, right? Don't ever forget that. They're there to make as much money as they can to run their programs, and that's what they're going to do with the money, is put it back in the programs. But with that said, a nice $411,000 score on Zelda, the original Zelda, the gold edition, in the box, sealed. Crazy. Let's go check it out, guys. And as always, don't forget that our wholesale site, if you need inventory at prices that aren't $411,000, go check it out down below. We run it through Shopify. It's amazing. You can click on any lot that you want of the hundreds of lots that we have, including remote controls that you guys love. You can add it to the cart, calculate shipping, buy it, and we will ship it out generally in one day. Some of them take 2 days. It just depends on the lot, but most of them go out in 1 day handling time. So do expect fast shipping with most of our lots as well. We appreciate that. And all the other links that you need, List Perfectly, My Reseller Genie, Photo Room, and my personal website with all of my training products, guides, videos, and everything else that you need, including the 2021 bundle. That's only $21, guys. Linked down below. Go check all those out. And without further ado, let's check out this $411,000 score that Goodwill made from an anonymous donor, donating it sealed into one of their locations. All right, so this story actually was on TMZ. It's on some other sites as well, but Legend of Zelda rare Nintendo game sells for $411,000, sold through the Goodwill. An ultra rare old school Nintendo video game sold for a record price, and it's all for a good cause. Now, some of you might disagree with that good cause, but it is what it is. Includes invaluable maps and strategic playing tips. Nintendo Entertainment System, The Legend of Zelda. Someone donated the factory sealed copy of The Legend of Zelda to Goodwill in Connecticut, and the nonprofit just sold it through its online auction house for a cool $411,278. There was also like $350 shipping, right? Few little dents and nicks in the box and the seal. I mean, look, the thing is, what, some 30, 40 years old? I don't even know. Was that like 80 what? I don't even know, 90, 2000? Yeah, like 30 some years old. So the shopgoodwill.com website went live in 1999, 13 years after The Legend of Zelda came out. So it was 86. Yeah, so 1986, which would make it like 35 years old. And there's the YouTube video of The Legend of Zelda, 1986. Says it right there. It's a super rare to find a brand new version of the video game from 1986, and Zelda has a cult following. Add it all up, and it's a recipe for a record sale. Goodwill says the $411,000 will help the organization open a career center in Stamford, Connecticut, benefiting job seekers in surrounding communities as they look to get back to work following the pandemic. So yeah, of course you can find this story on a lot of other sites, but there's The Legend of Zelda, there's the box, there's the game. Pretty cool. I love doing little stories like this. I know a lot of you are going to wish that Goodwill wasn't the one that got it, but it is what it is. So there you go. The Legend of Zelda, the gold box, $411,000 sealed, Goodwill auction, donated by an anonymous person. And that's our story for today. So thanks for watching as always, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll have a second video out for you in a little while, unless this one's the second video, in which case I have a first video that you should go watch also.